Hello everyone, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. In this video, we will see how to create custom business email and use it with the Gmail. First up, we'll see how to create a business email through your hosting provider. Business email means like contact at yourwebsite.com, support at info at like that. And secondly, we will create how to receive business email into the Gmail. Then we will send or reply with business email through Gmail. And finally, we will send business email from WordPress websites and avoiding spamming of the web emails. This is my website called rbsprint.com. So I want to create first a Gmail account. So rbsprintroy@gmail.com is my Gmail. So don't forget to verify this Gmail with mobile and with another email because it is important to avoid spamming. So here in this website I have displayed two email address. One is the business email address, that is contact at rbsprinter.com. So let's see how to create this business email with the hosting provider. So I am using Interserver as my hosting provider. Here it using cPanel, that is the DirectAdmin. It is similar to the cPanel in GoDaddy and other hosting providers. If you want to purchase Interserver Hosting, please see the description. So now I have selected the domain name as rbsprint and go down. In the email manager, I click email account. So there's a one default email. Then I click create account. So it will open like this. And here I can create the email business what I want. So here I want contact at rbsprint.com. So I just type the username as contact and I type a password I preferred, and the email quota I put as maximum, and send limit I just put as 200 and create account. So now the account is created. So here it will show the username and password, and the bottom part it will show the SMTP server detail. That is very important with the port number. So let's copy paste this detail into a notepad. So save that and let's close this pop-up and go back to the dashboard, and let's create the email forwarder. So again go to the email manager and click forwarder. So here you can create email forwarder. So the domain name is rbsprint is selected. So new email forwarder name. So our business name is contact at rbsprint.com. So I am typing that and copy the exact Gmail address I want to forward. So I just copy this email address and paste here and click create. Now the forwarder Gmail address is created. So if you want to create more forward address, so you can add multiple Gmail or other addresses to forward the same email to multiple Gmail accounts. Similarly, you can create multiple business emails with the same Gmail forwarder, like info@rbsprint.com or support@rbsprint.com to same Gmail address. If you are using cPanel from GoDaddy or other hostings, the steps are same. Go to email and create email accounts, and here you can create the email account with username and password. After creating the username and password, you can go back to the email and click forwarders. Here you can click add forwarder and you can type first the business email, then the forwarding Gmail, similar to as shown earlier. So let's send a sample Gmail to our business email and see. So I am sending an email from a different Gmail account. So to contact at rbsprint.com and type some sample message. Let's send it. Now I have opened the Gmail account which is connected to the business email. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes to receive. So now I have received the Gmail into the promotion sector. So don't worry. At the final stage of this video, you can see how to get the mail to direct primary inbox. In this stage, you can reply only with the Gmail, not with your business email. So how to add your business email to Gmail and reply with the business email? For that, you have to click this icon, settings icon, and click see all settings. Now it will open like this, and click accounts and import. Go down and send mail as. So here add another email address. So click add another email address. So now we can add your business email. So for the name, so you can give the business name. So in this case my business is print, so I am putting the name as RBS print. So this name will appear when the buyer or the customer receive the email. For the email address, copy paste the business email address. So my business email is contact@rbsprint.com. So I just copying that email and paste here. Then click next step. So now you will come to the SMT server username and password. So by default you will see mail.rbsprint.com. So that is the SMT server, so same as mentioned here. So normally the SMT server comes as the mail.yourdomainname.com. So if you have different hosting, so you just check with the hosting provider with the SMTP server. So for the username and password, you will have to give the business username and the business email password. So my business email is contact@rbsprint.com and my password is here. So I just copy paste. Port also very important. By default it will show as 587. Our hosting server also having the same port name. So if you sometimes you may have the 467 port name. So please check with the hosting provider. Then click next. So once you click the next step, it will send a verification email to your Gmail address. So minimize this screen and go back to the Gmail inbox and you will find the Gmail team Gmail confirmation. So open that and copy the confirmation code. Open the pop-up window, paste the code and click verify. Now your business email is verified with your Gmail. So go back with the settings, click see all settings, open account and imports. So now you can see two emails were added. So the Gmail one is the default, so you can make the business email as the default. So I am making the business email as default one. So let's create a Gmail email and see. So when you start to create an email account, from email it shows as your business email. So you can interchange with your Gmail if you want. So by default it will show you a business email. So let's send the email and see what's happening. So let's open the different email which I have sent the mail. Hurrah, here you have received the mail. Sender is RBS print and the message is displayed here. So similarly the customer also replied to your mail. Let's see how to receive web contact us form to your Gmail inbox rather than spamming. For that you have to go to your WordPress dashboard and add a plugin. So click plugins and add new. Here you can search for WP Mail SMTP. So the first one is here. So click install now. Then click activate. Once it activated, go back to the dashboard. So here WP Mail SMTP dashboard will open. So for from email you have to give your business email. For from name you can give any text and go down. For the mailer you have to select other SMTP. So when you select other SMTP, it will ask for the SMTP host. So SMTP host as we earlier copied, mail.yourdomainname.com. So I just copying that and pasting here. For the encryption select TLS. The next one for the XMTP port. So my port is 587. So you have to select your hosting provider's port. And for the SMTP username and password, you have to give the business email username and password. So my business email is contact@rbsprint.com. Also copy paste the password. So that's it. So let's save the settings. So now you will get the confirmation message that settings was successfully saved. Let's come back to the website's contact us form and fill the form and see what will happen. So let's submit the message. So you have got the confirmation message. So let's go back to our Gmail and see. Wow, we have received the customer's email into the primary inbox. So if you have any issues, please leave us a comment. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.